Hello there, welcome to the technique. I will show you how to adjust the camera settings or camera functions. So here are the first of some settings for the camera are like if you come to the settings and in the general, on the top fourth position you will see there is a mirror view on reversing image. If your camera is showing the left side on the right and right on the left, so you can shift this side by turning on this function or turning off, so your camera will be corrected. It will show the left side on the right and right on the left. So this is the called mirror setting of Android unit. Then if you want to use this mute audio while reversing, you can turn this on, so your music, your radio, your sound will stop working while reversing. It will go on the mute state for better focus. Then we have some noise reduction feature. If you don't want to use this, you can reduce the noise voice to some extent, like 30, 20. There are different settings, so you can just adjust it to according to your like own liking. So here are the different settings for like reduction, the different levels of sound for the reduction. Then we have some other settings in the factory. If you tap on the factory, it will ask the factory code. The code is 3368. Here is the factory code in the original car agreement. So here you have to see, first of all we have some radar settings. If you want to turn off your radar, or if your car doesn't has the radar in the bumpers or the parking sensor, the radar means the parking sensor, so you can turn off from here, so it will not show the car here and with the sensors. So then again we have the reverse parking line. If you want to turn off the parking line, you can turn off from here. This is the lines with the image that are appearing on the when you will put the car in the reverse. So you can turn off and on. This is the from the screen. You cannot turn off the line that comes from the cars or a car camera, car original camera, or aftermarket camera. Some cameras have built-in default parking lines as well, so you cannot remove them. They are already in the camera systems or camera image that is coming through the cable, video cable. Then we have some reverse parking line. This means like if you're parking no, here's the static trace. Then static trace means like if you're parking lines or these parking lines are not working with your steering wheel correctly, you can turn these off or on. So if you will turn on, so it means they are converted from dynamic to static. Static means they are fixed at one position, so they will not move with the steering wheel anymore. So some cars, they have the problem with the steering wheel sensor, so that's why it's recommended to turn on if they are not working good. But you can turn on, you can adjust their settings as well. So I will not turn on static, but here we have this track reversal. In some cars, these lines, these parking lines, are showing left side on the right. They are rotating on the field side, so for this setting you have to turn on or off. So according to your problem, you can check this setting as well. This is same like mirroring the image, but this is not for the image. This is for the only for the parking lines. Then we have this at the last, max reversing angle. Max reversing angle is the angle use the lines for the parking aid. So right now I will show you what I mean by parking lines. I need to connect. So here you can see right now my lines are turned off. I'm not showing any seeing any kind of lines. Here you can see the car has these sensors on. I will turn on the lines. Here I will turn on line and I will turn off the this sensors option. For example, my car has the no sensor, no parking sensor from factory. I will connect again. So here you can see it is showing the parking lines in the car. Only the lines are appearing, not the sensors here. So if you want to like do the static or reverse or change the like movement of the lines, you can adjust the by tapping on the screen or by like turning on off from here. There are available sensors, angle reversing, maximum reversing angles you can adjust. You can adjust the track reversal as well. Then there are some other camera settings that are available here. If we go down, here is the local reverse switch. You can turn on off as well if you don't want to like use the camera. Here is the reverse power supply. You can turn off this as well. So if you not want to like install a camera, or you don't want to like the car goes in the black state or like the in camera state, so you can adjust from here. So that's the settings that we have here available for cameras. So here is the current setting. So here is the another setting for HD reversing video. So you can turn on HD option or TVI. So there is both the settings are available here. If it depends on which quality of the camera you are using or which signals you are using. If your camera supports HD, so you can turn this on, so it will be more brighter or more clear picture will support the screen. So that's the video for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.